To fix a malfunctioning Liftmaster light, several potential issues must be addressed, including a burnt-out light bulb, a defective logic board or receiver, and a damaged light socket. The first step is to replace the light bulb by turning off the light switch, using a ladder or high chair to access the garage door, and removing the light's plastic cover and any screws that may be holding it in place. The old bulb can then be unscrewed and replaced with a new one. If this does not resolve the issue, the next step is to check the logic board by unplugging the garage door opener from its power outlet and plugging it back in, then listening for a click sound from the logic board. If the click sound is not heard, the logic board may need to be replaced. However, if the sound is audible, the problem may lie with the light socket. To investigate this further, a non-contact voltage tester or multimeter can be used to check the socket's voltage where it connects with the terminal board. If necessary, the light socket can be replaced, thus resolving the issue with the Liftmaster light.